Daniel Parsons here. I've got a real short video testimonial about my experience 1 month now having this iDoc electric acupuncture device. And we are marketing these from the buydirect.vip website. And then you would need a affiliate like me, and I've been in the wellness business since 2005, and I have experience dealing with Asian companies because they have this technology. If you know anything about acupuncture, the Chinese have used this for thousands of years, way before there was ever even the United States of America. So anyway, right now, as I'm talking, I have my ear clips on and I'm on level 8 relieve, which you can see that in the monitor. And Dr. Babalu instructed me that I can go, 1 hour a day. But then every 28 days or so, you want to rest for a couple of days because then the body can kind of adjust. And then when you start treatment again, the body is even more benefits as far as I've experienced. There's a couple of times where I wasn't able to do a treatment. And so that was like my little rest period. So anyway, besides the ear clips, and this is stimulating my vagus nerve. And there's some wonderful education from some English and the United Kingdom medical doctors. So here's your iDoc user manual. It gives you instructions on how to use all of this. And so they've got this little electrode pad, and you would want to put that, let's say here, because you can treat all the organs in your body right here in the palm of your hand. And this never is with pens. People think of acupuncture, oh, you're going to stick me with a pen. No, this is the little probe. And so it gives you some electric stimulation. So that's what that does. And so the other part of your iDoc is this wonderful, I'm not exactly what you want to call it. You can clip your hand like this, and you can move this around to where your body is sensing it needs some treatment. So let me get it there. And remember, I said all your organs are right here on the palm of your hand. And so you can also put this on your feet. And so those are the only two places that I know of that you want to use that clip. It kind of looks like a miniature stapler, but you have an electrical probe. Let me show you that. Let me turn it right side up. You see here, let me put it where my head's not in the way. You see that electrical probe right there? Okay. And so that will clip down, and then that way you can have hands free. So that is all the apparatuses that you have. And then here's this wonderful chart that tells you all of the acupoints in your body. And they give you a wonderful book. It was actually an Italian scientist that first discovered this, if I remember correctly, way back in like 1720 or something like that. So this is fascinating. Look at this right here. So, and I wanted to say this. This is an FDA approved class 2 in-home therapy device. And so the FDA considers it class 2. So it is approved. However, anything that I market or sell, because this isn't the only thing that I'm involved with, we don't intend to treat cure, prevent, or diagnose any disease or illness, consult with your medical provider before you do anything. And so it's always a good idea. I saw my medical providers today, and I take their advice as long as I believe it's the best advice for me, because I am my own doctor. God put me in charge of my body. And so this is fascinating. I've experienced deeper sleep in the past 30 days. I've also, I'm in between 6 and 7 decades. And so I have kind of maybe a weak bladder. So what I'm doing to help me not have to get up so much at night is to get all my fluids in at the latest by 5 in the evening. And so it's actually, I've got them all in, and it's before 4 o'clock in the evening. You can see my clock on the wall back there. So I'm praying that this Friday night, when Saturday morning arrives, I will not have to get up at all, because I feel so much better. My blood pressure, I didn't have problems with it before. It's very, very normal. So I can't say that the eye doc has improved my blood pressure. I do have better liver function. So that can be a combination. I'm looking at this objectively because I also have some superfood that I market and sell. And so I take that. So I believe it's a combination of the eye doc and my other wellness routine with plenty of water. I only have a little bit of decaffeinated tea in the afternoon, chamomile tea. And but the rest of the day it's just pure water. We do have a little bit of almond milk with our organic whole grain oats and quinoa breakfast. But so I have my fruits in the morning, my vegetables at dinner time, and then the evening, 6 o'clock in the evening, we have some really healthy organic bread and some homemade toppings. And so anyway, so I have a really healthy diet, healthy exercise, and the rest and the water. And so those are very, very big for your wellness. So I highly recommend everybody get an eye doc, because this is being able to help. This right here is where your spine is. And I be honest with you, my business has been so crazy, and I've got some farming going on here. I haven't had much time to target my spine. So once the fall season comes, I'll have a little bit more time. So I'll do another update testimonial, because I do have a low back chronic condition. So I highly recommend this device, because I mean, I know people that have all kinds of issues, and they're reporting some benefit. And so they have to give their own testimony. I'm not allowed to do that. So I cannot say that this does anything. So how do you get one? Go to my Telegram, just t.me on a laptop or a phone or a desktop computer. Type in your browser, t.me/Daniel Parsons. Please tell me you want to talk to me about the eye doc and how you can get one. It's not a simple as I send you a link and you make the payment and bingo, it's all done. It's a little bit more to it, because you get rewards points as an eye doc affiliate in the BuyDirect system. So it is a marketing referral system. And so my BuyDirect URL is buydirect.vip/Daniel. And so the phone number is country code 1, and then the area code 360-383-0265. And if you reach out to me on Telegram, I'm begging you. That's my Telegram phone number I just gave to you. And my handle's Daniel Parsons. I beg of you, please write to me and say, I want to talk to you about iDoc. I get spam, people trying to pitch me crypto, people trying to pitch me their investment deals. And I got one question for all you people that are in that. If you're making money at it, great. But why in the world do you want to come to me and pitch me that? Because I'm in the wellness field. Please leave me alone and don't spam me. God bless you. Bye for now.